Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing a walk around of my Audi RS3.
Nice car, mate.
Thank you. So yeah, we're going to be doing a video of my RS3. We're going to be doing a walk around of it. We're going to be doing some launch videos, some drive-bys, some revving of it, and I'm going to get my little brother Seamus to sit in the passenger seat and you can see what it sounds like and get a feel of it from inside while you're driving. So this is my RS3 8V. I've had it, I bought it in November, so I've had it for about 4 months now. Coming up to 5 months, and yeah, I really love the car. I really enjoyed my S3, which I had for about 2 years, nearly 2 years. Went to the BM, hated it, and I decided to go back to Audi, and I got this RS3. So it's a, what's the paint? It's a Memphis Black RS3. It's got panoramic roof, it's got the black pack wheels, it's got the sport exhaust equipped as well from factory, which is complemented by my little modifications which I've done. Is a Scorpion decat downpipe with Miltech secondary decat delete, which makes the car a lot louder, and I've kept the back box and I've kept the resonators in so it doesn't drone on the motorway, for instance, but it still sounds a lot louder. So yeah, I've tinted the lights as well. The lights have been tinted, and I've put the badges to black. So the outside driving's all done now. I'm just going to get the passenger perspective now, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's see if you can scale them with the pops. Yeah, they don't really care. hope you enjoyed the video. That's my brother Seamus. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put a tag on the video. That's his car. I'll do a video on that soon as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like, and I'll see you soon for another video.